Hello, my name is Julius, and thank you for watching episode 32 of Applicable Applications. In today's episode, I want to talk to you guys about Bardeen. It's an AI tool that provides users with different automation features to help boost its productivity and help make your workflow more efficient. It uses machine learning to understand its users' behavior and it's some of the patterns that it does. And by taking those patterns and behaviors, it then will convert them into workflows, which are the automations that it can give you. And it continuously learns from interacting with users to improve the different automations that it can give you. Now, as I mentioned, Bardeen works by analyzing your workflow and patterns and finds the tasks that you do repetitively that it can automate for you. By monitoring your activity, it's able to spot websites that it's compatible with that it can provide you with an automation to help save some more time for you. And it suggests automations pretty frequently as well based on how much you perform those actions. Bardeen has this feature called natural language processing where you can go to the website and you can describe an automation that you want from Bardeen in just regular English. You don't need a code or anything. Just tell it what you would like it to do. Then the AI can take that, break it down, and then understand what you want from it, and then create a complete automation for you. Sorry. An example would be, let's say I asked Bardeen, hey, I want you to go to YouTube on this specific video. I want you to gather all the comments and put them for me on a Google Doc. I can just type it to Bardeen and it can put that in for me, which is a great feature if you don't want to go through and search or wait for Bardeen to give you an automation. If you want one, you can go ahead and take the initiative and tell it what you want, and then it'll try its best to give you that. Bardeen also has a proactive automation assistant. This is like a productivity coach in a sense, as it takes all that analyzing it did, seeing your work patterns, and then it'll suggest ways you can improve on those, either by recommending you different automations or things that you can do a bit better. It also has pattern recognition, so it can monitor your daily activities, and then it will find the different apps that are supported by it, identify those recurring tasks that it can do that are pretty time consuming, and then present it for you. It also becomes more personalized the more you use it, as the more you use it and the more feedback you give to Bardeen, it helps it become more personalized and more tailored towards you, as it knows what you need and what it can do for you as well. So the more you interact and the more you give feedback. So let's say it did an automation wrong or it wasn't the exact way you wanted it. If you tell it and let it know so it can understand what it did wrong, it helps make it better. And that's how we build up AI. And speaking of editing automations or telling it if it wasn't exactly what you wanted, you have the ability to edit automations. So if you want, you can add a step to it or you can remove a step from that automation as well. And by doing that, it learns what you do and what you don't need as well. So it's a nice feature to have that also builds up Bardeen. Bardeen also comes with these things called playbooks. And a playbook is essentially a bunch of automations for a specific industry or a specific task. One of the ones that I saw that caught my eye was the social media playbook. That comes with a bunch of automations for things like coming up with ideas for YouTube videos, different ideas for posts on social media like Instagram or Twitter. So it has a wide range of already ready automations for you to use right out of the box. Not to mention that it supports over 70 websites and apps for things like productivity, communication, and product management, and integrates with things like Google Workspace, Slack, and Trello, and many other popular websites. And by having all these integrations, and by continuously adding these integrations, it expands what Bardeen can do for you, which is a really nice feature. And I'm uh, glad that Bardeen has it, because by having all these integrations, and not only that, but by allowing users to say what it wants, or websites that it wants it to work with, it helps builds it up and adds more websites to it. Thank you for watching episode 32 of Applicable Applications, and I'll talk to you guys next time.